is the continuation of our travel. There's the Flagstaff Ranch Road, 7.5. We are exiting to this
This one?
exit 198 to P and put gasoline. Big drops.
Yeah, 198. I remember this.
They didn't call, huh?
Huh?
They didn't call.
No. Call them, they didn't respond. Probably they'll call me back. They are going to this straight to the rest stop.
Yeah?
Yeah.
But where is the rest stop?
I'll be nearby. You want to be there too? You can do so. Are you desperate?
So we can go there. Oh no, but you have to put gasoline.
Thank. Let's see how much it costs. Wow, what it is?
What's that? Oh, that's
Airplane.
no, airplane, propeller. I think this is one. What is that? A tail of the airplane. Huh?
Okay, this way.
Or one of the LSE that you know this called
Should I go out?
yeah,
Huh? Butler Avenue?
the one that rolling like a big electric fan.
One I just missed it. How much is it?
Yeah.
How much?
How much is I don't see. Oh, we forgot to exit. Anyway, we're going to rest area and eat lunch.
Oh, then I missed the gas stop.
Phoenix 2 miles. At least Ananda is here.
Flagstaff.
Yeah,
He lives here.
yeah, he lives.
Oh, I thought he lives in Phoenix.
Yeah,
Yeah?
yeah, he lives in
Phoenix.
With I think close to Ajay.
He lives in Flagstaff or Phoenix.
I'm not sure of Flagstaff or Phoenix, but I know he lives in Arizona.
Okay, there's another one. Okay, we get to get cheap gas here.
Well, let's see.
Big city generally is I think cheaper.
Because California is expensive. How much now? $4 plus?
No, 380. 380. Go out here?
Yeah, let's go. No, exit only. Exit
Yeah?
only, yeah, exit only. Yeah.
Oh, wait a minute. This is not.
See that.
It's a different. What is it?
Oh, no, straight.
Go straight, right?
Yeah, go straight. Oh, wow, benang ke belang. That's also he's supposed to exit, but we got
Push him. We bully him. Oh, then we'll lose another
dangerous.
one. Oh.
Benang, oke belang. Benang, oke belang.
No, there is a rest area just before.
Where?
Iceland.
Where is the rest area? Okay. To be continued.